1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palm down, high thigh sung. Chin 5 Siklen, right leg front. Namaste, India. Tanji.
Khánh
Bao nhiêu tuổi?
64
64. Sao môi buồn? Chị Tanji.
Tân Mai
Bao nhiêu tuổi?
53
53.
Thùy Mai 61 tuổi.
Okay, 61. So here are some very young lady from Vietnam. So we are going to today sun salutation, okay? Chap thigh, both palms over your chest. Here also some member. So here these three guys is very young. So let's see. Hit bow, high thigh, lane. Raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Toes are high thigh swung, bend forward. Chanfarasa, right leg back. Go sung. High thigh, side of the body. Look up, chin up, Dowlin Maklin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palm down, high thigh swung. Chanchairasa, left leg back. 2 plank pose, body should be straight, 1 line plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung, Chaturanga, go sung. Come sung, yep, that's great. Chin down, nice. Inhale, cobra posture, look up, chin up. Dowlin Maklin, yes. Exhale, downward facing dog, Mamlin, Dao swung. Downward facing dog, yup. Hit bow, Chin 5 lane, right leg up. Chin 5 lane chuk, right leg front in between your palms, yup. Both hands side of the body, high thigh swung, look up, chin up, Dowlin Maklin, Nilen. Mut, high, ba, bone, nam, high thigh swung. Chanchai, Siklen, left leg front. Chanchai, Siklen, left leg front to forward bending. Yes. Hit bow, high thigh, lane. Raise your hands up. Thara, chap thigh. Both palms over your chest. Namaste. Very good. Same. We are going to left side. Chanchai, okay? Hit bow again, high thigh, lane. Raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Tosa, high thigh, swung. Dao sung, forward bending. Chanchairasa, left leg back. Drop your knees, go sung. Both hands side of the body, high thigh swung. Look up, chin up. Yes, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your both palm down, high thigh swung. Chanfarasa, right leg back. 2 plank pose, body should be straight, 1 line. Yes, that's good job. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knees, go sung. Chest chin, come sung. Chin down, come sung. Inhale, cobra posture. Look up, chin up, Dowlin Maklin. Exhale, downward facing dog, Mamlin, Dao swung. Downward facing dog. 1 by 1, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good job. Hit bow, Chanchai lane, left leg up, Tang chin. Tosa, Chanchai lane, chuk, left leg front. Nice, yep. Go sung. High thigh, side of the body, high thigh swung, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palm down, high thigh sung. Chan Phai Siklen, right leg front. To forward bending, Padahastasana. Yep. Come on. Hit bow, high thigh lean, raise your hands up. Thirza, chap thigh, both palms over your chest and namaste. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, hit bow. Third eye. One more time, inhale, raise your both hand up, high thigh lean. Come to chair pose, fold your knees. Mamsung, yep, chair pose, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chap thigh, namaste. Yes, bend 5, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Same, change your side. Twist your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4. High thigh swung, dao sung, thang chân. Chân phai ra sao, chân chai ra sao. Mam lên dao sung, downward facing dog. Mam lên dao sung. One by one, heel up down, move high. Ba bun, nam sao, bai tam. Goi sung. Chest chin kam sung, chaturanga. Hit bow, cobra, look up, chin up, Dowlin McLean. Tha, Mamlin, Dao swung, downward facing dog. Hit bow, Chen Phai Lin, right leg up, thang chen. Chen Phai Lin, chuk, right leg front, in between your palm. Goi sung. High thigh, lane, palms together. Side of the body. Yes, chap thigh, namaste, and go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chen Phai thang chen. High thigh swung, dao sung. Chen Phai thang, high thigh swung, dao sung. Mod. High. Ba. Bun. Nam. High thigh swung. Chen Phai ra sao, right leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Yes. Rujab. Come on. Chaturanga, Goi sung. Kam sung. If you cannot, you can drop your knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra posture. Look up, chin up. Dowlin McLean lane. Tha, Mamlin, Dao swung, downward facing dog. Hit bow, Chen Chai, lane, left leg up, straight up, thang chen. Exhale, left leg front, Chen Chai, lane, chuk. Yes, that's great. Okay. High thigh, side of the body, high thigh lane, palms together. Go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chen Chai, thang chen. High thigh swung, dao sung, thang chen, dao sung. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chen Chai ra sao, left leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sung, chaturanga, kam sung. Inhale, cobra, look up, chin up, Dowlin McLean lane. Exhale, downward facing dog. Mamlin Dao Sung. One by one, heel up down. Mut hai ba bun nam sao bai tam chin mui chin tam bai sao la ba hai. Child pose. Relax. Embe Drop your knees and child pose. Relax. Try to relax your back. Relax your whole body. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. So this is my very young friend of Vietnam. She is 64. She is 64. She is 53. She is 61. So can you imagine like this? This guy is very old, but they can practice yoga every day. That's why I'm request to everyone. अभी भी time है. चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाओ और योगा करो every day. I request to Indian guys, please, my father, my mother, all over the India, please, अभी भी time है, जग जाओ और practice करो yoga every day, ताकि आप स्वस्थ रहो. Thank you.